survival, as I told you, it is not an option information system, it is a necessity. It's mandatory that you have to, for your own businesses or for the national or international businesses, you need a information system sometime, because nowadays if the information system was not there, so it becomes very hard to apply some like regulations and acts over there, like a zakat tax or VAT tax to apply over there. So because of this information system, you just need to include a one column and put the percentage that now from 5% to we will increase the tax to 15%. Just like with a one click you can apply all these changes over there, right? So if there are some these are the rules which internationally, other America, they have some rules over there. And there are some other rules like Saudi Drug Society Authority, Saudi Drug Authority, uh, they have also rules regulation for pharmacies and for medical people over there, and for like products like dairy products and other things, so they check it. Okay, so there is also like some information system which can help in it.